Hi all, this is an introductory video about the subject business economics, which you will be learning in your first semester. So the syllabus of the subject is discussed. So this is a 3 credit course which you are having in your first semester. So the major objective of this particular course is to impart the fundamentals of economics with an objective to develop the application based knowledge. And there are few course outcomes also for the subject. The first is to distinguish market structures to determine price and quantity of goods and services produced and consumed. Experiment the study of consumer behavior in aspects of consumption pattern of consumer. Examine the concepts of cost and utilization of resources to manage cost of production. Determine pricing strategies and platforms of market structure. So the first unit, the subject have total 5 units, where the first unit is an introduction to business economics, where it includes the topics related to business economics, its meaning, definition, characteristics, distinction between business economics and economics, its scope, uses and objectives, the roles and responsibilities of business economists, macroeconomic concepts and major macroeconomic concepts such as inflation and deflation, concept and measures of national income and output, GDP, national income, and GNP, and business cycle and its different phases. The second unit of business economics consists of theory of consumer behavior, where we will be discussing about what is consumer behavior, what is consumer sovereignty and its limitations, what are the major approaches to study consumer behavior. Both cardinal approach and ordinal approach will be discussed in detail. The law of equimarginal utility, the law of diminishing marginal utility, and indifference curve analysis will be discussed in detail. And consumer surplus, the concept coined by Alfred Marshall, also will be discussed. Your third module deals with demand and supply analysis, where we will be discussing about theory of demand analysis, the determinants of demand, law of demand, characteristics, exceptions, and elasticity of demand, price elasticity, its different types, determining factors of price elasticity, change in demand, and business application of price elasticity. The concepts of both income elasticity and cross elasticity also will be discussing. And the price elasticity of demand measurement by total outlay method is discussed in detail. Then we are going to discuss the demand forecasting methods also in Unit 3, which includes different methods of demand forecasting for existing products as well as new products. The law of supply and its major determinants of law of supply also will be discussed in your third unit in detail. Your fourth unit deals with market structure, where we will be discussing about what is perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly. And the price and output determination in both short run and long run will be discussed in detail in your fourth unit. Your fifth unit deals with the cost analysis as well as production function, wherein in the cost analysis we'll be dealing with what is cost, what is total fixed cost, what is total variable cost, as well as what is average fixed cost and what is average variable cost. The factors influencing cost of production also will be discussed in detail. Opportunity cost will be discussed and the cost output relationship both in short run and long run will be discussed in detail. The concepts of revenue and total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue will be discussed. Then we'll be discussing the second part of fifth unit is production function, where we'll be discussing about law of variable proportion as well as law of returns to scale, one in short run and another one in long run. And also the fifth unit under production function will be discussing economies of scale as well as diseconomies of scale. So these are the 5 modules of business economics which we'll be discussing in your first semester. And these are the different textbook references for your subject, wherein we'll be mostly referring to this particular textbook by Apanya, Reddy, and Shanti, Economics for Business by Himalaya Publishing House. All the other textbooks also can be used as a reference material. And this particular subject, the skill development activity, will be basically based on the calculations of few demand forecasting, maybe determination of price elasticity, etc. Whereas mostly your assignment will be dealt with the calculation of a demand forecasting for a product. It will be explained in detail when we discuss our third module. So that's all about your subject business economics and its fifth mode and its five modules. Thank you.